choices you make, what appears to be right, seems you just have no say. As if you're a witness to your own mistakes, it's easy to play along. After you see what the choices came to be, like a storm that's passed on. Oh, the brain down the drain. Oh, the fuse, the abuse. Oh, please, storm-felled trees. Oh, the fight over who's right. Trying to remember all the that went down. I don't know what your intention was. Like trying to memorize the Bible backwards to the start and reciting it from the heart, upside down. Oh, please, on your knees, amend what you defend. I'm right before I fight. You're wrong, this fight is lifelong. See the water flowing under bridges. I, my friend, has come to pay its dues, show its use. See the sheep, they're grazing on the ridges. Our friend the wolf has come to show a new beginning needs an end. Away with your say, today you are gonna pay. If not now, disavow the lie that's in your eye.
Soul searching, fall apart. Tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation, a quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right, never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than that shit? Deadlines, rent's due, bills pile up. Family, day in, day out, the clock's mocking me. Getting old, oh, got the kids, deserve so much more than this. Gotta get rich. You said I never could, ever could change. I thought I never could, ever could change. They said I never could, ever could change. Damn right, I never would. Leave the light on. Oh. Leave the light on. Oh. Leave the light on. Oh. Just leave the light on. Oh.
fabuloid. And we are the chosen one. We're the tower they built, where Jesus is secret again. We're fortifiers in the sky and forgers of truth. Like a wide awake, sleepwalking tide, coming to bring on the feast of your lives. And it feels so good, baby, it's understood. It feels so right, honey, to keep pushing into the night. Oh, it feels so good, sits in our humanhood. Oh, we're invincible, baby, last of our kind. This is the swan song you didn't think you'd be humming on. What the hell is going on? We started off so strong. Manufacturers of dreams, charlatans of love. And nothing here is really what it seems. Come on, praise now, lift up your voice. Oh, and it feels so good, baby, it's understood. It feels so right, just keep pushing into the night. Oh, and it feels so good, sits in our humanhood. We're invincible, baby, last of our kind. Praise now, lift up your voice, and it feels so good, baby, it's understood. It feels so right, just keep pushing into the night. Oh, and it feels so good, sits in our humanhood. We're invincible, baby, last of our kind. Oh, 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 it feels so good, baby, it's understood. It feels so right, honey, just keep pushing, 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 pushing.
Getting drunk from 7 to 3. Overindulged in flesh like it's free. We're on a fast ride where monkeys killing time with machines. Making love that we don't even feel. You don't even notice if it's her or it's me. But somewhere deep in it's cutting like a knife, so you just kill it with that one. All of a sudden you are free. You call your mom and say, hey, it's me. I just need some more mommy money. I'm gonna spend it. You're filling up my house, my face, my body, and my tongue, 'cause I just wanna feel good. Using all that's left. Somewhere
efficient. Come on, perform better, climb higher, educate away. I am all my degrees, my masters. Hey, look at me, I am somebody. It's what I've learned at carbon dioxide. My conclusion is that it's all a lie. Our guns are mine, we're not smart, we will survive. We've got technology, it's not alive, we will survive. The seas are thriving, we will get by, it's not a lie.
Привет, как всегда, спасибо за просмотры. Подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки, напишите в комментариях, что вам понравилось больше, какой трек понравился, а какой не понравился. Все, до встречи, всем пока. И да, ссылка на плейлист будет в описании, на Apple Music сделал, и приходите, слушайте нас с дороги.